morning everyone, and welcome back to a weekly vlog. Happy Tuesday. Ned and I just finished gym. Sagey's in the back there. Sagey, hello. Thought I'd start a weekly vlog this week. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, Instagram. So yeah, we just finished gym and we're gonna go home. I've got an appointment today for my brows and I need to go get my nails infilled and shortened before the weekend because I'm off to Brisbane. Going to go try, well not me, not try, but Sam try on wedding dresses and then also look for some bridesmaids dresses. So I'm so excited. I leave Thursday. Sagey isn't coming with me. She's staying at Nonna's, but it would just make it a lot easier just to like go to appointments. Yeah, anyway, Ned's gonna make some beef jerky. He's been marinating his beef last night, or yesterday. Yeah, so we're gonna attempt that. And I'm gonna see if I can get an appointment for my nails before my eyebrow appointment. So yeah, I'll show you guys making the beef jerky.
Gonna be a few batches by the looks.
Yeah. Looks good though. Yeah. What are you doing? Eating? Eating? Yum yums? Oh yeah, I love the hands. Yummy. Oh! What? You want to eat this? You hungry? No! You don't want it? Okay. I'll put it there. Yeah, I know you want it. You're so cheeky. Yeah. And you dropped it. Nice. Hello everyone. I actually had you in my wrong settings. But I got my brows tinted and waxed, tinted. Got my lashes tinted. Nice. Nails. Oh, I'm obsessed with my nails. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love them. I just saw that I got a package in the mail, so I should probably get that. But yeah, I think Sage is awake. When I left, she went to sleep. But oh, we got a few packages. Let's have a look. Trying out Ned's jerky. It's really good. He did well. But I'll show you these parcels. Okay, so first parcel is from Amos. I am in a battle with Amos now, so my code only works a couple times a month. Like they pick the days, just to see something different. But keep an eye out on my Instagram because that's where I post it, and you can get some money off. So this is a new collection. I wonder if they've got the thing here. I think it's called Pace Collection. Yeah. So first thing I've got is the Black Sheer Tech long sleeve top. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, that's such a weird feeling. Oh, I'm excited for that. That feels really nice. It's like a swimsuity material. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I want to try this on. I need to try this on. What's that from? Seiji! Oh, I'm so glad I got this. Oh, I need to go in the mirror. Oh, I could have gone an actual... I think I wish I'd gone an extra small. But it's cute. I like that it's all black and I like the neckline. It's kind of like that rough cut. That's nice. I like that. I like the material. Oh, and like the sleeves kind of like concave there. Yeah, what is it? Well, that's the first thing I got, and that's it's called the Black Sheer Tech long sleeve, and I got the small. I probably should have went the extra small, but that's okay. Yeah, thank you, baby. We'll go for a walk, hey? You wanna go for a walkie? Yeah. Alright, next thing that I picked up the black paste shimmer bra in a medium. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, I like this. I like that it's kind of like the seam is gone, so that's that. Very nice. I like that one. I also picked up the Sword Soft biker shorts in a small. The word soft. Sword. So it's just these like bike pants. Oh, I thought they had a scrunch bum for a minute. But it's got like Amen down the side. I actually haven't got anything in this material. All the stuff that I've got from Amen is pretty much the rib stuff, so yeah, it's seamless. And the last thing that I got is the black paste hooded jacket in a medium. Oh, I love this already. I'm gonna take this to Brisbane with me. Oh yeah. Oh, just hit the light. Oh yeah, this is nice. Blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, I like this. So it's just like a jacket. It's got the drawstring at the bottom. Yeah, kind of light, nice and lightweight. Nice. What are you doing? What is that? Oh, it's got thumb holes. I was like, what is this? No, this is nice. It's got pockets. Yeah, I like this. It's that kind of like parachute material. Yes. And then I also got another package from Portobello PR. What are you doing? And they sent over, we hope you enjoy these products from Ardell Beauty. Oh, cute. I love Ardell lashes. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, perfect. Oh my god. Yeah. So I got the wispies, which I love. I love the demi wispies. Oh my god. Yes. More wispies. Oh, these look nice. These are the Lift Effect. They look nice. Some more wispies, but faux mink ones. Naked lashes. Ooh, that's nice. Naked lashes as well. These ones are 424 and 426. And some Lash Duo Glue. Nice. Thank you so much, Portobello PR and Ardell Lashes. everyone, and happy Thursday. It is 2:30 at the moment, and Mum and I are heading to Rocky. My flight leaves for Brisbane at 6:40, which is okay because Sam is working anyway. Yeah, so and then we go to Gold Coast tomorrow, and Sam gets to try on all her beautiful wedding gowns. Seiji isn't coming with me like I said before, but she's staying with Lorna. Sleepovers! Sleepovers! Mum's driving at the moment there. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see Sema. But yeah, this morning as well, like Ned went back to work this morning. Oh, Bubba Gump. Oh, you want to be in it, don't you? Yeah. We just went to the gym and I did a sweaty shredder. One of Sarah's days thing. Hey, chicken, is it okay? Workouts. It was really good. I died. I accidentally killed Danny. Sorry, Danny. But yeah, I'll update you guys on the way. I know. When did you get him? I was like, maybe press the button.
I don't know, do I wait till like just before?
Well, while we're outside.
I don't know.
This is my very first event. Of course, I have to take Sam with me. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Community Cantina, for letting us spend the day here. So exciting. Seeing everyone. Coming in. Ooh, sweet. Which one was that one? Grapefruit blossom. Alright, trying the new cocktail. Butterfly Zen. Butterfly Zen, and I've got the Garden Fiesta. Ooh, yes, yes. Alright, I'm gonna go the one that you just had, Butterfly Zen. Yeah, I really like that one. Ooh. Alright, and then I've got the last. Oh, you already had the one. I'm gonna have the grapefruit blossom. I think the orange. Yeah, me too. The orange is nice. The garden, fiesta. Yes. Yes. Hello everyone, and I am home from Brisbane. It is Monday. I actually got home yesterday, but I was just a bit tired and didn't really want to film like yesterday. Kind of just went out for breakfast and stayed with Sam and was up like on the rooftop. It was really nice. But yeah, hey Seiji, I'm back reunited with my big girl. I'm playing outside. Is that your olive oil? Oh. Yeah, but it is the afternoon. I thought I would end the vlog here. I hope you liked my weekend away and like my first event and whatnot. It was so much fun. Yeah, I had so much fun. But it's so nice to be home now. I'm starting to get like a little bit of sickness, so see how I go. I don't know if I'll go to the gym tomorrow. I didn't go today, but anyways, I will see you guys in the next weekly vlog. Bye.